Right now, we make coconut oxa, but yo, I feel hungry. You see me? Oh, me now have one jerk pan for myself for me make jerk pan.
Say jerk, trade ya first. Pan them stack up, ready for the work. 30 pound on the pound like them in a row. Settle.
Make sure I get some seasoning. Yeah, so I get some cooking oil. Cooking oil.
Whole stove steady, fire na shine. Coconut us peel season reach time. Trace jerk pan, we make it easy, life get simple. Movement speedy from Portland straight to any
You can go and something that is put this still.
pan. Set up and sell, less pure stress. More nice smell, convenient, efficient. That's how we plan, build your dream.
Right. I do eat my chicken neck.
I feel.
Go and eat. Go and eat. What's in your face? Go and eat, man. What's in your hand? So I don't know where to eat then.
Jerk pan, we make